Alright, this video is for our property located at 1482 in Sunset. This is a fourplex unit. We are looking at Unit D. We'll start. There is a carport parking right here with a storage shed. And we're in Unit D here. Alright, so we're going to go through the front door. Got a nice big family room. Nice flooring. It's like vinyl plank flooring. It's bright, big open windows. We're gonna go, this is the dining room area here. Another window. Nice black appliances with an over-the-range microwave. Got our stove and oven here. Granite countertops. Dishwasher. Refrigerator, side-by-side refrigerator. And this does include the washer and dryer, the front load. Nice storage above the washer and dryer here. All right, this is bedroom number 1. I would call this the second bedroom. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath. Got a closet there. Nice big window. This is where the furnace is and water heater is located. In this closet, there's a closet right here. Back up so you can see that. All right, and then this I would call the master bedroom. Nice big window, and it does have a double closet here. So I'll open up one of these closets so we can see inside. So they are separate. They are separated by a wall here, those closets are. All right, I'm gonna check out the bathroom. So again, we've got a nice white cabinets with granite countertops. Lots of lighting here. And then a nice tile surround bathtub and shower. And then this hallway just leads back out to the family room. So again, this is a 2-bed, 1-bath. Nice property located in Sunset. It's a fourplex. This is Unit D. If you're interested in applying for this property, visit our website at nvpm.com, envypm.com, and click on rental search, and you can schedule a showing or submit an application there. Just check out one more closet here. Front closet here with a coat closet.